GamerGirls is a one-of-a-kind design featuring two futuristic fashion dresses that allow the wearers to play an arcade-style video game together, using each other's dresses as the screen display. Created by Phi Illuminated Designs, this retro-style 8-bit video game is controlled by paired smartphones, which are connected to each other via Bluetooth. Each garment is overlaid with a detailed track pattern mimicking the familiar arcade-styling gaming displays. This pattern houses over 400 individually addressable RGB LED lights. Each girl competes to reach objectives within the game, getting visual feedback from one another's dresses as those objectives are reached. Game scores are represented by light-diffusing 3D printed shoulder crystals that light up and change color, indicating to the player how their opponent is performing in the game. These wearable tech dresses were fabricated using laser-cut reflective fabric, giving the dresses a retro yet futuristic sensibility. The GamerGirls dresses were created for MakeFashion by Phi Illuminated Design. The team is a new media collective focused on performance, wearable art, and wearable technology, and are interested in the crossroads between art, fashion, and tech.